What we got going on today? Yeah, 2009 Toyota Highlander. Just got done polishing the headlights out. If you watched any of the previous videos, you might have caught that these things were brown. Couldn't even see there were bulbs in there. They were brown. Right now, let's see if I can get this dent out. I don't know if you can see that. Pretty decent dent. Just gotta pop the wheel liner down. Just a few poppers. Give enough room to get your hand in there. This is a pretty soft dent. I might be able to just push it out with something round. I've got body hammers and stuff, but I don't feel like taking this wheel well all the way out. Not right now, anyway. I'll get you on the tripod and see what we can do with this. Alright, so I've had a lot of good luck in the past just using something kind of round, like the screwdriver handle. Getting behind the dent and just kind of working it out. Let's see if I can do that with this. The sheet metal tends to be pretty thin. And I'm just moving the handle, kind of like medium pressure behind the dent. Just moving it back and forth along the high spot. And slowly working it out. Sheet metal's thin enough you can literally see as you're working behind the dent where it's moving. The dent doesn't have any creases. You usually just kind of massage it out just like this. You get a good enough result. I'm not looking for perfection. I mean, this thing has almost 277,000 miles on it now. I know you body guys are probably cringing. That's cool. It's almost there. A little better than it was. Just got a couple low spots. Just kind of feeling where the high spot is on the back side. Guiding my little plastic candle. Just kind of rolling this dent out. some point, if I end up keeping this thing, I might get the hammer and dolly on it. For right now, just make it look decent. Well, at least it's no longer a crater. That's all I care right now. You can see, it's hard to tell on this little camera screen what we're looking at, but went from a large dent to a smaller one. I'm gonna call that good enough for now, because I am sweating my ass off. I might work at it a little more later. If I do, I'll take some follow-up shots, but for now, we're done. All right, well, my OCD got the best of me. I got everything out. That's just how my brain works. But not bad. Not better than it was. It was a slight crater before. That's good enough for me. Cool. Don't judge. I know I got problems. I'll catch you on the next one.